Hello everybody, I'm going to be doing a quick video here on how I solve my carburetor issues on my lawnmower. I solved the issue of my lawnmower not staying running. So it was this spring. It was the first time in my life I've encountered this type of problem. Basically, I would start the lawnmower and it would run from anywhere from a minute and to at some points just a few seconds before it would sputter out and shut off. And I tried putting different amounts of gasoline into it and new gasoline into it, and the problem just would not be solved. So I did some internet searching on the issue, and I saw that a lot of people recommended that the carburetor is the issue when your lawnmower will not stay running. And most people were recommending a carburetor repair kit. So I watched some videos on that. I was getting pretty close to buying one day when I just figured I would see if there was any other options available for me. I saw one person online mention that seafoam treatment can sometimes solve the issue of basically a clogged carburetor and a carburetor issue for a lawnmower. So I decided to give it a go. I figured that the carburetor repair kit was going to take a few days by delivery, and it was probably going to take me about at least 2 hours or so to do it, and it's kind of tedious work. So anyways, what I ended up doing, I will show you in this high-tech video. I ended up buying a seafoam engine treatment and the spray. I got the dual pack from Advanced Auto Parts website, and it was $18. I used a coupon, so I got it for like 14 bucks. And basically what you do is the can on the left, you just pour right into the gas tank with your gasoline. On the side of the can, it will give you instructions on how much to pour in. Basically, I just poured it in for about 2 to 3 seconds. I kind of wanted to use a lot. I read on the Seafoam website that you can't, it's not really a potential danger to pour a little bit extra in. So I was just trying to use as much as I can, see if I could get rid of this clog in the carburetor. And that worked. I also used the spray, and I'm just going to show you really quickly how the spray works. Over here on the lawnmower, some engines may look different, but basically you just have this side panel, and I unscrewed it already. It has the air filter in it, and you use the spray, and it goes, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a hole here, and it goes in here. What you do is you start up the lawnmower and get it running, and so you have one hand holding the lever down to keep the lawnmower running, and you just stick that spray can into the hole like I showed you, and give it about a 1-second spray. What's going to happen is there's going to be a cloud of smoke that comes out of the engine, and it kind of almost stalls out for a bit. I do that about 3 times. On the second or third time, I can't remember, but the instructions are on the bottle, and there's a video on YouTube about it. Seafoam tells you to spray a bit longer, maybe 2 to 3 seconds, and as soon as you're done spraying, release the lever so that your lawnmower shuts off, and let that sit there for about 10 minutes, and then put your air filter back on and start it up. So basically, since I was doing, this method of a fix, I just figured I would use both the engine treatment that goes in the gasoline and use the spray to try to get the most bang for my buck. It ended up working for me. That's the conclusion here. My lawnmower started up after that. I haven't had a problem with it since then. It may have worked with just the engine treatment. I'm not sure, but anyways, I didn't mind trying out both options when I went for it. One extra thing I would just say, since I'm doing this video here, if you do decide to get these seafoam canisters, I would recommend trying it on Advanced Auto Parts website. Also, just for whenever you need auto parts, if you use the Advanced Auto Parts website and pre-order it so that you can just go pick it up in the store, there's always a coupon code on their website. And basically, whatever the code that they're showing you on the website, that means that there's an even better code for a larger discount present at that time as well. You just have to do a quick internet search, go to one of those coupon websites, and then you'll find it. But basically, I just wanted to share the idea of doing the pre-ordering, because you don't have to spend any time looking for a product in the store. You don't have to ask for it. And you're going to save money. Like, I saved about $4 on this seafoam package here. So just an idea I'd like to share with people.